Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at CrowdStrike stock, and we'll be talking about, is this the bottom and are we gonna go back up from here? And if we do, what are the targets that we are watching, and all in all, how this thing eventually may turn out. So I want to talk about all of that in this video. All right, with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So a little bit of a backtracking I want to do here, guys. And well, if you have been already following my channel, you very well know I have done some CrowdStrike videos here on my channel. Check those out. And that will give you understanding of what I have been saying into this dollar cost average plan and all of that. So definitely highly suggest check out these videos if you want to know more about on CrowdStrike. Just go to my channel, search CRWD or CrowdStrike, and it will show up. And also, don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel. And this is where I'm building a public facing portfolio as market is falling. This is a great opportunity for me to add in and check out the updates that I have provided here as well. All right. Now, so CrowdStrike, here we are. And what I provided you as for the levels are these two red lines that you are seeing here. Where did these red lines came from? And we are seeing some bounce there, and so I said that this is where would be the best place to start average cost position into it. Now again, nothing is guaranteed here, guys. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing my opinion here. So we had the 200 weeks moving average right over here. I'm on the weekly interval right now. That's why I provided you this red line. And the other red line is also due to it's a significant one of the areas that I was watching, and I'm still watching this area. That's why I provide, these are not the plank boards. You have to take them as a cushion here, right? So we are seeing some rebound at 200 weeks moving average. So I did, at least for myself in my long-term portfolio, I did buy some of the CrowdStrike at this zone. Now, what I expect from this. So there are two things. First of all, again, as I said, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. We first have to see a consolidation if that happens, right? And if that happens around 200 weeks moving average, and I'll give you the levels as we break above those, then we can expect a rebound. Now, until where would that play be? So what are the targets for that, right? So let's go to the first hourly interval. Let's talk about the scenarios if these levels are holding and the structure changing over here for the upside. So as of right now, we did hold a good support at 200 weeks moving average. That's why you see those two red lines on my chart. And now I do want to see this not break below the level of 211. This is what we want to continue to hold. And this may very likely turn into a rebound. Now, definitely if we go level by level up, it's a a great rebound that may start to come. And if we form consolidation here, that's an added bonus and confirmation. And then if we break the levels back again to the upside, the rebound will possibly come. Now this, though the target that I'm choosing on this rebound, let's go to the daily interval again, is all the way to this 200 days moving average. Back up over here around 289 or below, a little bit below that, maybe 280, this area of some consolidation and previous resistance zone with 200 days moving average. I do think until this, a rebound is possible. At least for me, tradable range on CrowdStrike is until 290 almost. It won't be very easy though. It's because if we lose the levels to the downside, that will not come, right? It's all about if we continue to hold this level of 205 now with that 200 weeks moving average that I showed you on the weekly interval. Now with that, we need to see additional confirmation, which today, as I just showed you as well, $211 that we got out of. That's a little bit of a structure regain today. But definitely the next level to watch is 226, and I don't want to see it break now below either 20 hours moving average or 50 hours moving average. But now if CrowdStrike can get above 226, it's about trading the targets range, first 200 hours moving average as well. I do expect this thing to reject there, come back down, but as if we continue to still form on the hourly interval higher pivots, and that's what is the part of consolidation on the daily interval. Oh wow, on the daily interval, right? Time for some drawing here, guys. All right. Anyways, and if we see the consolidation here, right? And that's what is the part that then eventually when we get out and above of 200 hours moving average, that then confirms fully that $290 range. And until then, it's level by level to the upside. Structure, in my opinion, intraday looks like may rebound for a couple of days. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but likelihood seems like to me is building for a rebound on CrowdStrike. And I won't be surprised if for the near term this becomes the bottom, and which means the rebound will come. Now, here's another why I'm only saying until 290 and 289 area, right? Because as we know, we did crash, right? This is for a long-term portfolio, guys, what I'm saying, also DCA. But then if you want to take partial profit, this is the range you would want to, because this has a potential of making an inverted head and shoulder. You know, we are seeing a rapid decline in the market right now, and you know, I just want to emphasize this here. Just be prepared if that ever happens, but that's why you take partial profits out, size in, size out. Time to buy is when the confirmation starts to come. And if you are trading or if you want to size out, stop loss has to be on the other side. And but these are the zones to watch. Now, why I'm a little bit worried about this not inverted, this head and shoulder is because if I take you to QQQ, the way QQQ has fallen, again, it just came back to 200 days moving average technically, but the way it has fallen, it has, you know, if it fails to go above 448 and it consolidates here but fails to go above 448, then this may start to become inverted head and shoulder, and QQQ with itself will take, you know, rest of the market down. But that's for another video to talk about it. But anyway, so just wanted to highlight the things to watch. And similarly on SPY is breaking as well its neck right now, but again, it all comes down to on SPY as well the similar way, if it can get above 524 and not show any signs of this head and shoulder, because if it does, and then that will be eventually breaking below 200 days moving average, that's a problem. So let's see what happens. But with the CrowdStrike, that trade, the play can still be done the way I am looking at it. And again, do what you want to do. That's how I'm doing it. So that's what I'm sharing, right? Anyways, guys, so that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.